Hey GED students, it's GED question of the daytime, and we've been asked to simplify the expression below without a calculator. Simplify means obey the operand symbols, like do all the operations that you can, as much as possible anyway. So I can see that the symbol here is a square root. So it's asking me to find the square root of 2,209. And we're faced with that same dilemma we've had for the last few videos here. There is no algorithm for a square root. There's no step-by-step process. You know, like if you wanted to add two large numbers, you would know exactly what to do. Line them up, you'd know the process. But with these square roots, we're at a loss. We don't have a step-by-step process. In fact, back in the days before calculators, engineers used to carry tables of square root values so they could go, look them up because we don't have a step-by-step process. Now, basically, what we do have is common sense and this kind of guess and check method. And so I'm cheering right now because did you notice I've got multiple choice answers? If you had something like this on the GED, it's a math reasoning test. It would definitely be multiple choice, okay? So that being said, what is the square root of 2,209? Well, here's what I know. The square root is the opposite of squaring. Square root is the opposite or inverse of squaring. That means that if I say what is the square root of 2,209, what I'm really asking you, or another way to think about what I'm asking you, is what number squared, what number times itself is equal to 2,209. So even though I don't know how to work this problem forwards, I can guess and I can check. I could say something like, well, I think it might be 57. Okay, I just guessed 57. Don't forget to check. Let's work it backwards. Let's square 57, multiplying it by itself to see if it really does get me to 2,209. Let's take a look. 9 times 9 is 49. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And now I'm multiplying by the 5 tens, the 50, so I'm going to drop a 0 there. And 5 times 7 is 35. 25, 26, 27, 28. And I get 9, 14, 11, 12, 3. I am too large. 3,249 when I needed only 2,209. 57 is too large. So guessing is a legit method on your GED, but guys, don't guess without checking. Let's try another one. I don't know. That one was way too large, so why don't we try 37? So I'm going to square 37, meaning I'm going to multiply 37 by itself to see if it really does give me 2,209. Let's try. 7 times 7 is 49. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And this 3 is really not a 3, it's really a 30, so I'm going to put that 0 there as a placeholder. Now 3 times 7 is 21. 9, 10, 11. 9, 6, 1, 3, 6, 9. And I can see this time my answer was too small. I got something smaller than 2,209. 37 is too small. Well, guess what? If 57 is too big and 37 is too small, I'm going to guess it's 47. But once again, I am not going to guess that without checking. I've seen you guys make multiplication errors all the time, so I'm fairly certain it's 47, but let's make sure we're right. 47 times 47. Well, 7 times 7 is 49. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Now I'm multiplying with the 4 and 40, so I better put a 0 there because it's really a 40, not a 4. And 4 times 7 is 28. 16, 17, 18. And let's take a look here. 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry the 1, 11, 12. And look at that, 2,209. What is the square root of 2,209? It's 47. I know because I checked. All right. If you have any questions about that or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer it.